Hey, this review is on this Walkie-Talkie earphone. It's by AGPTEK. It's got like a little earbud on there. There's all the controllers there. The microphone. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is turn these on. Click it to the on position here. And then click this one on. Okay, you can see the indicator lights are lighting up. And you have a couple functions on here. So this button up here is the pairing key. So we'll press that in a minute to pair these up. But here's the volume down button. And then the on button, and then the off button, and the volume up button. All right, in order for this product to work, you have to download the app. So just use this to download the app. So we'll go ahead and pair these. So we're gonna hold the pairing button down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the alternating red and blue lights, that means that the walkie-talkie earpieces are in pairing mode. You can use either one of these for your right or left ear. So here's the right ear setup, and then all you do for the left ear, just you can flip it around this way and then flip that over to speak into it. So it doesn't matter which side, which one you grab or which ear you use. You can use either one for either ear. Okay, once you've downloaded the app, you register it. They want your phone number and all that stuff to register it. There's a password. So you input all that, and then you can talk back and forth. You can also take phone calls with these, just like any Bluetooth headset. And then they're nice and clear. You can speak right into there. It sounds like somebody's talking right in your ear. You can talk between two other people. And so again, you can scroll through your music too with these. And then to turn up the volume, it's a short press like that to turn it up. If you want to switch to the next song, you do a long press right there. That'll switch you to your next song. Now, if you double click on the button to switch to the next talk to an individual or a group during a voice chat call. So if you want to switch calls, you double click on it. Right here is the PTT button. PTT walkie-talkie voice key. After running the voice chat app, press and hold the PTT key, and you can start the walkie-talkie call after hearing the start prompt, and then end it after releasing the PTT. So during phone calls, the blue light will flash about every 3 seconds. On and off, it's the red light for 2 seconds. If you get a phone call dial in, it's the red and blue lights flash alternately. During phone calls, the blue light will flash every 3 seconds, like I said. And then after successful Bluetooth connection, the blue light will flash every 5 seconds. And full power status, the red light's off and the blue light is on. If you got a low battery, the red light will flash 3 times every 30 seconds. So it'll go beep, beep, beep. Okay, now to charge these things, this just goes right in here. Now, if you want to restore factory settings in the non-connected state, long press the positive button there, that's the volume up button, for 3 seconds or more. Then the LED lights will be on for 2 seconds, and after that it'll automatically shut down, and the device needs to be restarted and shut down once before normal use. The automatic power savings shut down. Now the device will shut down when the power is below 3.1 volts and needs to be charged. When the device is on, if the Bluetooth remains unconnected for 5 minutes or more, it automatically shuts down. So these things can be utilized for making phone calls, listening to music, watching videos, gaming, or other scenarios, just like a normal Bluetooth earpiece. To fully charge these things, you need to leave them plugged in for about an hour and a half. As far as the range goes on these things, it's about 15 meters. And lastly, these things will last up to 10 hours if they're fully charged. All right, you guys, thank you for watching.